Hey there, savvy marketers. Today, we're diving into a game-changing update from Kindle Direct Publishing that could revolutionize your online marketing strategy. If you're serious about building your brand and business, this is news you can't afford to miss. In October, KDP introduced a pivotal policy change that limits authors to 3 AI-generated titles per day. Now, you might think this is a restriction, but for the savvy marketer, it's an absolute golden opportunity. This update levels the playing field, filtering out the fly-by-night operators and rewarding those who are truly invested in their craft. With these new limits, quality triumphs over quantity, making it easier for dedicated marketers to stand out, even those using AI. Imagine being able to strategically plan a steady stream of ebooks for KDP. With just 3 titles a day, you can focus on targeting new niches and audiences, literally overnight. It's all about smart planning and execution.
And here's a cool tip.
Pair your KDP strategy with AI video optimization tools like AIVideo or Fliki, and you've got a powerful traffic strategy. These tools help you create engaging video content that drives traffic and boosts your ebook marketing efforts. The ebook market is booming, with KDP holding over 70% of the global market share. The demand for digital content is skyrocketing, offering vast opportunities for those ready to seize them. So, are you ready to take advantage of KDP's latest update? Embrace this change, refine your strategy, and watch your brand and business grow. Remember, in the world of digital publishing, the future belongs to those who innovate and adapt. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights and updates on digital marketing and publishing. Until next time, keep innovating,